Proper material selection for sight glass equipment is critical for ROI and equipment longevity. Here are 5 key considerations that impact your investment. Consideration 1. Process requirements. Temperature, pressure, chemicals, and cleaning cycles all dictate material specifications. Match your sight glass materials to your exact operating conditions. 2. Glass type selection. Borosilicate glass handles high temperatures and most chemicals, while sapphire and quartz glass offer superior durability for extreme conditions and abrasive fluids. 3. Metal grade impact. Upgrading from standard steel to 3/16 stainless or duplex stainless steel prevents frequent replacement and reduces long-term costs significantly. 4. Total cost analysis. One customer saved money by upgrading equipment costing $3,900 and lasting 6 months to $21,000 equipment that lasts 5 to 15 years. They reduced annual costs from $7,800 to $2,100. 5. Early specification. Material selection cannot change after fabrication begins. Specify requirements upfront, including ASME standards, documentation needs, and future process changes. Contact LJ Star's engineering team to evaluate your specific process requirements and optimize material selection for maximum ROI and equipment performance.